Meaning of Ellen Terry.
Ellen Terry.
Ellen Terry.
Ellen Terry.
Ellen Terry. Ellen Terry was a prominent English actress in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. She was known for her exceptional talent, as well as her beauty and charisma on stage. Terry played a variety of roles throughout her career, including Shakespearean heroines such as Juliet and Lady Macbeth. Her performances were praised for their emotional depth and naturalism. Terry also became a cultural icon, inspiring artists and writers of the time. Today, she is recognized as one of the greatest actresses in the history of the British stage.